Have you ever walked in front of a shop window and saw a glimpse of yourself and you were like, wait a minute, who is that? Because your shoulders were a little bit forward and your head was sitting a little more forward, and you were never even noticed that you had that type of posture. Well, it's not because of age. It's mainly because of lifestyle and a lifetime of muscle imbalances that we have acquired through how we live our life. But today we're going to do 8 exercises that's going to help you with that. It's going to help lengthen the tight muscles and strengthen the weak ones. And we're going to do a combination of seated and standing. And all you'll need is like a towel or a band and your handy chair here. So let's get started with just a little warm-up. Okay. And then let's go ahead and just turn our head side to side. Side. And warm up those neck muscles. And then let's go up, look up and down. And then we're just going to do some shrug circles with our shoulders. And let's go back. And then let's go forward. Okay, and then let's do our swimmer warm-up. That's what I call it. So our first exercise is called a butterfly. And you're just gonna put your hands like this. You're gonna have your elbows bent. And you're not going to have your arms like this. They're going to come in towards your head. And then with your elbows, you're going to push them back. Squeeze those shoulder blades together and lift your chest. Squeeze and relax. Squeeze. We'll do 8 of these. 3, 4, 5, 'Oh, I can really feel that. Okay, and relax. And then just bring that across. Give it a little release there. That's a really good one. So that's tightening those weak muscles in our back. Okay, so our next one is just pulling our shoulders down, lifting our chest up, and making sure our head is up and our neck is straight. So with your hands, pull your shoulders down. Down like you're trying to touch the floor. And as you do that, don't go forward. Make sure you're sitting up tall. And pull down and relax. Take a breath. Pull down and exhale. And pull down. Pull down, take a breath. And relax. Pull down. And one more. Boy, that really stretches in there. And if you're doing any of these exercises and you feel a pain or any sharp pain, then please stop, because that's just a sign that you shouldn't do these yet. So just be aware of your body. Okay, now we're going to do one where we're going to stand. This one's a pretty tough one. It's called wall angels. And you might have to start with one arm at a time, but let's see how it goes. So you're going to stand up against the wall. Your butt and your back and your head is going to be against the wall. Your feet are going to be slightly out. Your knees bent. You're going to sit into it. And another good one to do is to tighten your abs and push your low back into the wall. But we're going to do wall angels. And so you're going to bring your hands up and you're going to try to touch the wall. Now if you can't touch, you're like this, then let's do one arm at a time, and you can kind of go sideways a little and then just go up like that. Do about 6. These are tough. And then do 6 on this side. But if you're able to, then you can also just hold it here and relax. Come back. And then if this isn't too awful difficult, then you can move your arms up and back down. And I'm going to go down a little bit more so you can see. Okay, very good. Yes, that is a tough one. People are really surprised at how tough that exercise is. Okay. So now we're back to sitting. We're going to do a seated stretch. And I'm going to move my chair like this so you can see a little better. Okay, so you're going to take your opposite hand and you're going to put it on the right knee. And you're going to push with this hand on this knee. You're going to push this way. And then this arm's going to come around, and if you can grab your chair or maybe underneath it, and I want you just to twist and hold that. Make sure your back is straight. You want a good posture, so think of your posture. I don't want you doing it like this. Okay, make sure you're sitting up, and then hold. And then you're going to, ooh, I had a pop. Now you're going to do the other side. Opposite. And you can take a deep breath. Turn. And relax. Okay, let's do one more on each side. Posture up, chest up. Tension, twist. Oh, and relax. Other side, take a deep breath. And relax. Okay, very good, you guys. Okay, our next one is another standing. Move that chair out of the way. Okay, so this one I want you to stand up, and I just want you to stand normal. I want you to pay attention that how your body feels. Do you feel like you're a little bit more forward? Do you feel more weight on your toes than your heels or the back of your foot? Mainly you want your weight to be in the middle and back, and then your toes just a little bit of weight. You don't want to be forward like that. You want to be back. So feel that, shift your weight. I want you to tighten your abs, and when you tighten your abs, it's going to lift your chest and bring your head up. And if you need to check your posture, go against the wall like this and make sure your head is back and your shoulders are back. And I just want you to practice having that feel of what your posture should feel like. And then you're going to come away from the wall and just feel how that feels. So we're going to tighten our abs 10 times. Tighten. And relax. Tighten. Tighten. And every time you tighten your abs, you should feel your chest rise. This is 9. And 10. Okay, when you're out walking, I want you to think about tightening your abs. And you don't have to tighten them the whole time, but just think about it, and then it'll check your posture for you. And then you'll be able to relax and keep that posture because you'll be able to feel that difference. Okay, so next we're going to use our handy towel, and you can sit or you can keep standing. And this is called towel pull-aparts. And you can even use a band if you'd rather. But what you're going to do is hold that right in front of your chest, and you're just going to, with a straight arm, not locked but straight, you're going to pull that towel like you're pulling it apart, trying to tear it apart, and relax. So when you do that, your shoulder blades should come together in the back. And I don't want your shoulders to come up, they should stay down. And then in the back, your shoulder blades should come together. You should feel those right here, just like you're squeezing like that. And because you're holding the towel, you won't feel it as much as if you had loose hands, but let's do 10 of these. Six, 7, keep that chest up, posture good. 9, 10. We'll do one more just in case I skipped one. Okay, that was a good one. Now just shake it out. Whew. Okay, so since there's 8 exercises, we're just going to go through these once, but I want to encourage you to do this 3 times a week. And if you're really tight with the wall angels, try to do those once every day, and then you'll see a big improvement. But we're going to do some side leg raises and some calf raises. And the calf raises, if you need to sit down, you can do them like this and just do maybe more. But we're going to do the leg raises next. And of course you can hold on to the chair. And if your balance isn't too bad, just hold on to it a little bit and do your side leg raise. And that way you can work on your balance. So let's do 12. And 12. Okay, so that ability to have better balance, of course, is going to help your posture. All right, we're going to do the other side. 1, 2, 10, 11, 12. All right. And our last one is calf raises, and I like to use the wall for balance. And we're going to do 15. 1. Think about your calf muscles. 2. Okay, that was 15. Great job. And like I said, try to do these again this week. And yeah, let me know in the comments how it was for you. And again, thank you so much for subscribing and liking the video. And you take care, and I'll see you in the next video.